Hey! American Eagle, what are you doing? I just want to look like I'm 21, I'm 75. I don't think that marinara sauce belongs on pasta. Guys, we got the camera back. Can you tell that the quality is like 10 times better than the iPhone? I actually didn't even get the same camera back. I got a new one. They sent me a new one because they were saying that the part of my camera that was broken couldn't be fixed, or they don't like fix the G7X, so they just gave me like a new one for free, which was sick. So I really appreciate that, but I can already tell that the camera quality is 10 times better. I honestly feel that the camera quality of this camera is better than my other camera, even though they're the same models. I don't know if like maybe my other camera was messed up internally after the whole fall, but I feel like this one is just like 10 times sharper. And I can tell because it's bringing out literally every single flaw in my face at the moment. I put on a lot of makeup 2 days in a row and my skin is throwing a fit up because of it, but you know, one of the downfalls of being a female sometimes. Just wanted to start a new vlog because I got my camera back and I honestly miss my camera so much. It was kind of nice to take a few days off vlogging. I know that I did the iPhone vlog that I released today. Today's Monday for me. That I actually released today, that I filmed last week in advance, not knowing whether or not I was going to get my camera back this week. Luckily I got it back, but I had that video just on hand just in case. It's 2:26 on Monday right now. I'm currently on my lunch break. I just went for a walk outside. I was gonna go to Trader Joe's, but the Trader Joe's line is literally down the entire block. I really wish I was kidding. They're still limiting capacity in the store, which honestly is a good thing because the Trader Joe's that's near me is pretty small. There's just not a lot of space to move around and the lines get really long really fast, so I feel like they're gonna have the lines outside of the grocery store for years to come. Like I don't foresee that going away. So I didn't end up getting groceries. I'm gonna have to go later because I literally don't have any food to eat in my apartment at the moment unless I wanted to order food. But I just spent $11 on this smoothie and it's not even that good. This is like the mint smoothie from Juice Press. I wanted like a strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie, but they only had 2 smoothie options on their board, and the first one was some sort of like blueberry thing, and I'm not really a huge blueberry gal, so I got this mint one thinking it was going to taste like a mint shake or like mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I was wrong. It tastes very healthy, which is good, I guess, because I mean Juice Press, I feel like Juice Press is known for being healthy, but this has like cauliflower in it and spinach and I think protein powder and mint, almond milk, a bunch of other random things, and you can definitely taste the fact that it's healthy. Like there's just something a little bit off about it. Maybe it's the protein. I don't think I really like protein powder that much. Chocolate chips help a little bit because the chocolate chip helps just like make it a little bit sweeter, but yeah, don't know if I'm a huge fan of this. It's been an extremely busy day at work today. This hour that I've taken for my lunch break is the first time that I've honestly been able to breathe since 9 a.m. I got onto work and everything just decided to break. Like one thing after another, and I was on so many meetings and so many calls and sending out so many emails and messages, and my head was like literally been spinning all day, so I haven't really had time to breathe. This is the first time I've had time to breathe all day, and like getting outside and getting a walk was definitely great to like clear my head. So I'm kind of dreading logging back onto work in like 10 minutes because my lunch break is almost up, but it's been like a crazy busy day. That, and I'm trying to get a jump start on school. This is my last full week of accounting, my last week of accounting in general. I don't know why I said full week. And then I have a week break, and then my third class for grad school officially starts the first week of May or the second week of May. I'm not entirely sure. So I have a little break before my next class starts, which I'm really looking forward to. So I'm really just trying to crank out this week so that I can take a break from school. Accounting has kicked my butt. If you guys have been around for the videos, you know I'm always complaining about how hard the exams are and how like unnecessary all of this work that we're receiving is, but it's almost over and I've made it through and I'm not failing the class, knock on wood, because I do have a week left and I could just bomb this week and end up failing the class, but I haven't failed the class so far, so that's always a good sign. But I'm definitely looking forward to just completely like getting like no more accounting. I just want it to be gone. That's just been my day. Happy Monday to me. Literally so chaotic, so busy, and I'm having a hard time just like keeping up with myself. I feel like the days that are busy are good days because it leaves me with less time to like sit around and overthink and worry about other things. So kind of like a bittersweet feeling. Just wanted to say welcome back from me and my nasty smoothie. Okay, now you guys can see the fact that my face is broken out. Literally the camera quality on this is insane. I don't know what was up with my other camera, but I literally just feel like I'm in like an HD world right now. OOTD are these Amazon leggings that you guys know I'm obsessed with. They fit just like Lululemon leggings. This top is Lululemon, and then the sports bra is Nike. It's just like the OG sports bra, nothing fancy. So we're have all of the brands on today, cross branding, and then these are like Dick's Sporting Goods socks. I don't know if you guys care about that. Just very loungy today. I'm planning on working out after work, so I figured if I put on my workout outfit now, then I would have more motivation to work out after work, because if I put on a real clothes, then I'd have to change out of the real clothes, take off my makeup, put on workout clothes. So I'm trying a new thing where I put on workout clothes at the beginning of the morning to see if it gives me motivation to work out at the end of my day. It makes sense in my head, I don't know. Alright, ignore the fact that I look super rough. But I just finished with work for the day, and I actually need to head out to Urban Outfitters to make some returns. I bought 2 pairs of shorts and a dress yesterday, and one of the shorts and the dress did not fit. The dress just didn't fit like my chest area, and the shorts were too big in the waist. I kind of think I want to buy them in the size down. These were 26. I need to buy the 25. The other ones that I bought were 25, so I knew like either one of them was going to fit or I was going to have to make returns. So I want to do that just while I remember, because if I don't do it now, they're just going to sit on my bench and I'm never going to return them, and then I'm not going to be able to get my money back. But I also want to get outside and go for another walk. I went for one during my lunch break before I picked up the camera to vlog with you guys, and I just want to go for another walk as like a kind of finish off my exercise for the day, then come back, take a shower, make dinner, and then I'm gonna head over to my friend's apartment tonight to sleep over there, because I haven't done that in a while. It's been like almost 2 weeks, I think, and I am just in the mood to like socialize and be with other people. You guys know that I don't really love like living alone. It's just not my favorite thing to like spend the whole day alone and then end my day alone and then repeat. Like, it's just kind of annoying. So gonna go spend some time with them a little bit later, but I need to make this return first and eat dinner and do the whole shebang before I even think about heading over there. So just kind of jump starting my evening now. Figured I'd give you guys a little update. Just got back from doing my returns. Please ignore this spot on my white shirt. I was doing homework earlier and accidentally drew on myself with a pen, so that's really sick. I hope that doesn't stain. But just got back from Urban Outfitters. Like I said, I had to make some returns. They didn't have my size in the shorts that I was going to return, like exchange, so I feel like it just wasn't meant to be. I could go through the trouble of like looking on the website and everything like that. Sorry, I'm trying to open a package and this is like hard to open. I could go through the like trouble of researching the shorts on the website, just purchasing and then picking them up or having them delivered or whatever, but I just feel like if I went twice and they didn't have my size either time, it wasn't meant to be. So it's fine. I'm doing a little unboxing for you guys. By unboxing, I literally know what these things are. Look how big this packaging is. Okay, that's literally the size of my upper body, and it was for this. American Eagle, what are you doing? Killing our planet, man. Got some underwear from Aerie. I'm not gonna like pull them out and show you each individual package, but I just feel like I like Aerie underwear over Victoria's Secret underwear. A, because it's more affordable. I think Aerie underwear is like 5 for $25 versus Victoria's Secret is like 5 for $30, and I get a lot of points with Aerie because my sister and I shop there for jeans and like tops and stuff like that all the time. So I personally really like their underwear better than Victoria's Secret. Would definitely recommend checking them out if you've never bought underwear from them. And then this next package I'm excited for because A, I ordered it from a semi-sketchy website that I've never heard of called lovelyskin.com. So this had the potential to not come to my apartment, but I was not about to pay the elevated price from the actual website, so that was just on my own. So it's from Lovely Skin. Good to know that this is like a legit store. Oh, I got like little samples with the product. This is Trinity Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner. Never used this brand, but they let me pick out like sample products when I bought my product, so that was cool. Here's what I bought. Elta MD Skincare Tinted Sunscreen Moisturizer that I can wear on the daily. That was a mouthful. I've used Elta MD before in the past. My skin has been sensitive for as long as I can remember, and Elta MD was actually a brand that was recommended by my dermatologist in high school. Someone's on my roof and they're making a lot of noise. I went off of it because I ended up going on Accutane my junior year of college. And back when before I was going on Accutane, I was like trying to eliminate products to see like why my face was breaking out so badly. And so I eliminated Elta MD and I just never went back on it, but I just rebought the product because I actually do really love it, and it's for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist approved, non-comedogenic. Yeah, you get the point. Basically, I just want to get better about putting sunscreen on my face every single day. I used to be really good about it. SPF 45 on my face like every single day. Normally the SPF was like in my makeup, but I don't really wear makeup that much anymore, meaning I haven't really been putting on SPF. So I wanted a light sunscreen slash moisturizer that I could put on every single morning. This one's tinted, so I hope that it kind of matches my color, or at least when I'm tanned, and doesn't make me look orange. I don't really know how tinted moisturizers work, but I feel like the color could be cool. I've seen this trending a lot on social media lately. A lot of people are getting into it. I've been hip to it for a while, just saying. But yeah, so getting back on that product, I'm excited to test it out. I already know that I can recommend it to you guys because I've used it in the past and I really do love it. I just went off of it just to eliminate products to see what was breaking out my face. Wasn't this. It was like a hormonal issue, but going back on it now because your girl needs to protect her skin so that I can be glowing and non-wrinkly when I'm 75. I just want to look like I'm 20 when I'm 75, so that's the goal here with this product. Yeah, that was my little unboxing. Underwear and sunscreen. So eventful. And sample shampoo. But I need to make some dinner, or at least start dinner, and then jump in the shower and kind of get my night going because I don't want to get on the subway too late because I don't really like riding the subway when it's dark outside. It kind of creeps me out. So I need to jumpstart like everything that I was doing before I got distracted with this haul. I think I'm gonna make a little pasta dish for dinner. So I've been watching Bebe Hayes videos a lot recently. I feel like she's really popped off on YouTube recently, and a lot of people are like finding her channel, but I've been subscribed to her for a really long time now. I think literally since last summer, and she's been one of my favorite YouTubers. I just think that her videos are like very aesthetically pleasing and relaxing and stuff like that, and she's always recommending like really healthy and really clean food products, and she really recommends the Raos pasta sauce brand. But here's the thing, I wanted to try the Raos pasta sauce, but the only one they had on Amazon Prime when I was doing the Amazon Fresh purchase last week is marinara sauce. And if I'm correct, I don't think that marinara sauce belongs on pasta, but I honestly can't remember, and there isn't like a recipe. Like, I feel like sometimes pasta containers have like recipes on the sides of like dishes that you can make, but this one doesn't. So I'm now about to be a dummy and search on my phone if marinara sauce can go on pasta because I'm an idiot. What does marinara sauce go on? Marinara sauce is a simple tomato sauce with very few ingredients. It is an amazing on pasta, serving as dipping sauce or perfect replacement for jarred sauces in your recipe. We always use it in place of spaghetti sauce. Oh, I'm an idiot. So marinara sauce is often used with spaghetti, but I thought that there was a specific spaghetti sauce and it wasn't marinara. So maybe I'm not as big of an idiot as I thought, and this actually does go on pasta. So I'm gonna make some pasta tonight. I have this Raos brand. I'm really excited to try it. I have I could do these spaghetti noodles that I didn't use from HelloFresh, or I could do farfalle, so little twisty noodle thingy-majiggers. I feel like I'm gonna do spaghetti since it told me that marinara sauce normally goes on spaghetti, so we're gonna do some spaghetti and meatball dish tonight. I'm excited. Also bought these from Trader Joe's. These are turkey meatballs. They're fully cooked, but you just put them in the oven, 325 for 30 to 35 minutes. That's a long time. Or I could put them in the microwave for 4 minutes. 5:30. I feel like I can put them in the oven. Now I need to preheat the oven to 325. But I have had these before. These are really good. I have these for lunch sometimes, just like meatballs without the pasta, or like with a salad on the side or some sort of vegetable situation. I really do like their turkey meatballs. They're a healthy alternative for regular meatballs because it's ground turkey instead of ground beef, which is, I guess, like red meat's not good for you and it's also not good for the environment. So I try to eat ground turkey versus red meat when I can, and I really like the flavor of these, so would highly recommend. So I guess these are the ingredients for the night. We have ground turkey, Rayo's homemade marinara sauce, which is pasta sauce, crazy. And then we have some pasta noodles. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all situated, start boiling the water. I'll do like a little montage clip of me cooking. She was living in summer. Alright, sorry for the lighting because I hate the main light in my room. Literally makes me feel like I am going crazy. But getting ready to head out the door, obviously, judging by the number of bags that I'm carrying. This one has my clothes in it for the overnight stuff. This one has like running shoes because I like to go running when I'm over by their apartment because they live by the river, which has like a really nice running path. So I'm going to go ahead and do that tomorrow. Then I have a backpack with all of my work stuff in it. So getting ready to head out. Okay, by the way, Rayo's pasta, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Honestly, so good. I felt like I was eating spaghetti that was made by a restaurant. I have a really hard time finding really good pasta sauces that I like to use in my pasta because I honestly just feel like no matter what kind of pasta sauce I buy, it always ends up tasting a little bit weird. It just never tastes like the ones that you buy at the restaurant or the ones that you get served at the restaurants or the ones that you can make like homemade. So I never really buy pasta sauces anymore, but Rayo's may be the brand in my #1 spot right now because it was honestly so good and I'm going to continue to use it. Thankfully there's a lot of sauce that comes in the jar, so I'll have a lot of leftovers for multiple pasta dishes. But if you haven't tried it, definitely check out the brand. I want to try out their other sauces as well.
Vlog for those who are choosing not to vlog this week.
Yeah, everyone convinced Taylor to get back on YouTube ASAP.
I'm running out of creative juices. What can I say? It do be tough when they're taking all my views away. Ah!
Yeah, YouTube, what's good with that,
What's
fam?
happening?
Clearly I'm in Hell's Kitchen. We're in WeWork again. Said I was going back to WeWork. But I just wanted to go ahead and officially end off the video here because I was editing it and I actually have a lot of footage. I didn't know if this was going to be like a multiple day in my life or like a week in my life or what it was going to even be, but I ended up having like 30 minutes of footage and I just edited it and it was 18 minutes long, so I feel like I should probably just go ahead and end it off.
How the heck did you do that?
I talked a lot in this video. It was a very chatty vlog.
Boo! Boo, chatty vlogs!
You don't like chatty vlogs?
No, they're fine. I just usually know everything.
Taylor's a chatty vlog hater. Whatever, it's fine. Anyways, we're ending it here because we're about to watch a movie. What is this?
Starts 24 starts getting wacky hair.
Yeah, my birthday was also this past weekend.
Yeah,
I didn't say that.
wish Hannah a happy birthday since she decided to be super, you know, on the DL this year.
Yeah, my birthday was this past weekend. I'm officially 24 and crusty, as Taylor would like to say. Crusty Club. Welcome to the Crusty Club. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You didn't notice.